What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install PDF Viewer Pro on your Android phone. Go ahead and open up your Play Store guys, and you want to go ahead and click on apps at the bottom. Switch to the top chart and you should be able to find the PDF Viewer Pro. As you can see, that I find it right here in 5th place. Now if you're not able to find that, you can also search by simple typing PDF Viewer Pro. Right, once you go ahead and you type in that, you should be able to find the app as well. And as you can see it right here at the top. So go ahead and click on it, and then you can click on install. Once it is done, you can go ahead and you can open it. And you can use this to go ahead and view your PDF documents. As you can see, it's currently starting up. There will be some advertisements while using the app. So you want to go ahead and always click on continue to the app, or exit any PDF that or exit any advertisement that's showing up on the app. Now once you're here, go ahead and ensure that you choose a language of your choice. As you can see, mine is English, and I'm going to just simple tap on OK in the upper right there. Click on continue, authorize right there, turn on the give it authorization here within the app, and that's all that you have to do. I'm going to go ahead and close out of this again and find my PDF app. As you can see it here, it's going to start again. I'm going to mute that right there. Once the advertisement is finished guys, you're able to basically close those advertisements by clicking on the X anywhere you see it. So as you can see, I'm going to do that, and here you can see now that it's finding all of my PDF that I have on my phone. And that's it guys, you can easily use this to view your PDF. That's pretty much it. Very easy and very simple.